Curly hair can be a blessing, but finding the right products to keep your curls looking healthy, defined, and frizz-free can be tricky. Luckily, we've rounded up the 5 best products for curly hair that will help you embrace your natural curls with confidence. Whether you're looking to hydrate, define, or tame frizz, these top picks, Ouidad, DevaCurl, Shea Moisture, Ouai, and Moroccanoil, have got you covered. Let's dive into each one to find the perfect match for your curly hair care routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouidad. The Ouidad Curl Quencher Moisturizing Shampoo is a go-to choice for curly hair. Known for its ability to hydrate and define curls, this shampoo is formulated specifically for curly textures. It's ideal for those with dry, unruly curls, delivering moisture and manageability to hair while preventing frizz. Ouidad has been a trusted brand in the curly hair industry for years, and their products are designed to address the unique needs of curly hair types. Key features: Ouidad's formula is packed with glycerin, a humectant that attracts moisture to the hair, and botanical oils that nourish and hydrate each curl. It also contains a blend of proteins that fortify and strengthen the hair, making it less prone to breakage. The product is sulfate-free, ensuring it won't strip your hair of its natural oils. It's formulated to enhance curl definition and boost elasticity, so curls stay soft and bouncy all day. Benefits and usage: the Curl Quencher shampoo offers deep hydration that curly hair craves. It works by replenishing moisture without weighing hair down, leaving curls soft, bouncy, and shiny. Use this shampoo as the first step in your curly hair routine, followed by a hydrating conditioner. The combination helps restore moisture balance and keeps curls defined throughout the day. Usability: Ouidad's shampoo is easy to use, simply apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It works well with a variety of curly hair textures, from loose waves to tight coils. You can follow up with any Ouidad conditioner or styling product to complete your routine. The product is lightweight and won't leave a residue behind, making it suitable for daily use. Durability: Ouidad's products are designed to last. The shampoo provides long-lasting hydration, which means you won't have to worry about your curls losing moisture throughout the day. With consistent use, you'll notice improved curl definition, softness, and strength over time. In the second spot, we have DevaCurl. DevaCurl has become synonymous with curly hair care, and for good reason. Their products are crafted specifically for curly hair, and the DevaCurl No-Poo Original Zero Lather Conditioning Cleanser is a standout. This cleansing conditioner gently cleanses without harsh sulfates or stripping agents, making it an excellent option for curly hair that needs hydration and definition. It's ideal for those looking to maintain healthy curls without the buildup from traditional shampoos. Key features: DevaCurl's No-Poo Cleanser contains a unique blend of botanicals, including chamomile and aloe vera, which are known for their soothing properties. This sulfate-free formula cleanses while leaving hair feeling nourished and soft. It's designed to enhance curls without disrupting their natural shape or texture. The Zero Lather formula works to hydrate curls, removing dirt and oil without making the hair feel dry or weighed down. Benefits and usage: the No-Poo Original provides moisture and softness, which are essential for curly hair that tends to be dry and frizzy. It helps to restore curl vitality by gently cleansing without stripping essential oils. To use, apply a generous amount to damp hair, massaging it in thoroughly, and then rinse. It's perfect for a no-fuss, low-maintenance wash day routine. Usability: this product is incredibly easy to use and can be incorporated into your regular curly hair care routine. It's particularly beneficial for those with sensitive scalps or curly hair that requires extra moisture. It's also ideal for people who want to avoid shampooing but still need a product that can cleanse and hydrate their curls effectively. Durability: DevaCurl's No-Poo Cleanser is formulated to last, maintaining moisture and softness even after you rinse. The product is gentle enough for regular use, and many users find that their curls maintain definition and bounce for several days after washing. Consistent use of DevaCurl helps maintain healthy curls without stripping the hair of its natural oils. Coming in at number 3 is the SheaMoisture. SheaMoisture is a beloved brand known for its natural, sulfate-free products. The Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo is a fantastic option for curly hair. This product uses organic shea butter, coconut oil, and hibiscus flower extracts to nourish and define curls. It's perfect for people with thick, dry, or curly hair that needs moisture and shine. SheaMoisture is also committed to using ethically sourced ingredients, making it a great choice for those who want to support sustainability. Key features: the Curl and Shine Shampoo is packed with shea butter, which deeply nourishes and moisturizes dry curls. Coconut oil helps to define curls while adding shine and smoothness. The hibiscus flower extract is known for enhancing hair texture and promoting healthy growth. This shampoo is free of sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, which means it cleanses hair gently and effectively without damaging the hair or stripping away moisture. Benefits and usage: this shampoo helps to boost curl definition, reduce frizz, and improve shine. The rich, creamy formula leaves curls soft and manageable, making it easier to detangle. To use, apply a generous amount to wet hair, massage into a lather, and rinse. It's a great choice for those looking to maintain healthy, bouncy curls without sacrificing moisture. Usability: SheaMoisture's Curl and Shine Shampoo is easy to use and is suitable for all curl types. Its thick, creamy texture lathers well and provides a smooth application. Whether you have loose waves or tight coils, this shampoo works to enhance your natural curl pattern, leaving your hair feeling moisturized and defined. Durability: with regular use, SheaMoisture's shampoo helps to improve curl texture and manageability. It also adds moisture to dry curls, preventing frizz and keeping your hair hydrated throughout the day. The product is long-lasting, and a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective addition to your curly hair care routine. Taking our fourth spot is Ouai. Ouai has made a name for itself in the beauty industry with its sleek, effective products. The Ouai Curl Shampoo is an excellent choice for anyone looking to embrace their natural curls. This product is formulated with shea butter and nourishing oils to hydrate, define, and detangle curls. It's perfect for those looking for a simple yet luxurious product to maintain curly hair. Key features: Ouai's Curl Shampoo is designed to provide lightweight moisture, leaving curls soft and defined without weighing them down. The formula contains coconut oil, which helps hydrate and smooth the hair, and shea butter for added softness. It's sulfate-free, so it won't strip your curls of their natural oils, and it's also free from parabens and silicones, making it a clean option for curly hair care. Benefits and usage: the Ouai Curl Shampoo helps to hydrate, detangle, and define curls while also providing frizz control. Use it as the first step in your curly hair routine to cleanse and nourish. The product is ideal for maintaining bouncy, healthy curls, and it's perfect for both daily use or as part of a more intensive curly hair care regimen. Usability: Ouai's Curl Shampoo is simple to use, apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It's easy to incorporate into your routine and is especially effective for people with curly hair that tends to become dry or frizzy. The product is also great for detangling, which reduces breakage and helps maintain healthy curls. Durability: with regular use, Ouai's Curl Shampoo helps to maintain healthy, hydrated curls. It improves the overall texture and manageability of curly hair, and users report that their curls stay soft and defined for several days after washing. The shampoo is designed to provide long-lasting moisture, so you can expect your curls to remain smooth and frizz-free. And finally, at number 5, we have Moroccanoil. Moroccanoil has become a favorite among curly-haired individuals, and their Moroccanoil CurlEnhancing Shampoo is a great option for those with curly or wavy hair. The shampoo is infused with argan oil, which is renowned for its moisturizing properties, and it's designed to enhance curls while reducing frizz. It's perfect for anyone looking to add shine and definition to their curls. Key features: the CurlEnhancing Shampoo from Moroccanoil contains nourishing ingredients like argan oil and glycerin to lock in moisture and improve curl definition. It's sulfate-free, so it cleanses gently without stripping natural oils. The formula also provides antioxidant protection, helping to maintain the health of your curls and prevent damage from environmental factors. Benefits and usage: Moroccanoil shampoo enhances the curl pattern, leaving hair defined, soft, and shiny. It helps reduce frizz and maintain hydration, even in humid weather. To use, apply to wet hair, massage into a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. It's great for curly hair that needs extra moisture and definition. Usability: Moroccanoil's CurlEnhancing shampoo is easy to use and works well with other styling products from the same brand. It's designed for all curl types, from wavy to coiled, and it enhances the natural texture of curly hair. The lightweight formula provides just the right amount of hydration without weighing down the curls. Durability: this shampoo is designed to provide long-lasting curl definition, reducing frizz throughout the day. With regular use, you'll notice that your curls stay hydrated, defined, and shiny. It's perfect for those looking to maintain healthy, bouncy curls that are full of life. And there you have it, the top 5 best products for curly hair: Ouidad, DevaCurl, Shea Moisture, Ouai, and Moroccanoil, each tailored to enhance, define, and hydrate your curls. If you're struggling with frizz, dryness, or lackluster curls, these products are the game changers you need. Give them a try and see the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your favorite curly hair product from the list. Thanks for watching, and happy curling!